In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Notion. We'll start from a blank workspace and end with a clean, functional system you can actually use to track clients, deals, and follow-ups. Open Notion and make sure you're in the workspace where you want your CRM to live. If you're part of multiple workspaces, glance at the top left to confirm you're in the right one before you begin. Next, open the template menu by clicking the small drop-down arrow in the top left corner. This reveals options for creating pages, importing templates, and managing different parts of your workspace. From there, choose Browse Templates. Think of this gallery like an app store for Notion. It's packed with pre-built page designs that can save you a ton of setup time. Use the search bar and type CRM database. You'll see a range of templates from simple lists to advanced pipelines with dashboards and charts. Take a moment to preview a few, pick a clean, minimal version if you prefer a lightweight setup, or go for a detailed option if you need pipelines, tracking stages, and analytics built in. When you've found one that matches your workflow, click Add to bring it into your workspace. Notion will generate the CRM structure for you, often including databases for companies, contacts, and deals, plus a few sample entries so you can see how it works. Give it a moment to load if the template is on the heavier side. Now explore the layout. You'll likely find tables for data entry and maybe board or calendar views that show progress at a glance. These examples are there to guide you. Start replacing the sample data with your own. Add your clients or customers, any partners you work with, and active deals or projects. Inside each entry, you can upload files, drop in notes from meetings, and use date fields to set reminders for follow-ups so nothing slips through the cracks. Customize the database properties to fit your business. Open the properties panel and add or edit fields like next contact date, industry, deal stage, and priority or status. Trim any fields you don't use so the interface stays focused and clean. Personalize the look and feel to make it pleasant to use every day. Update icons, tweak colors, and arrange views to surface what matters most. If it helps, you can embed calendars, maps, or other widgets to centralize your workflow. Finally, refine over time. Notion is flexible, so adjust as your needs evolve. You've just built a professional CRM in a few simple steps. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.